Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll show you how to take screenshots on the Google Pixel 10a. It's something that hasn't really changed much over the last few years on Android, apart from the software that's doing it, but the way to take screenshots on the Google Pixel 10a is to concurrently press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So in this case I'm going to take a screenshot of my home screen, and you'll see that I get a little pop over at the bottom of the screenshot I've just taken. So once you've done that, you can resize it with cropping, you can add up markup, and then save your screenshot, and it will be saved in your screenshots folder on the Google Pixel 10a. This is a really simple way of doing it, but say you're on an app that, for example, has scrolling on it. So in this case, I'm in the Threads app. This is now my main social media channel. You can use the power button and volume down button to take a screenshot here, and you'll see that there's a scrolling icon at the bottom. So because this was a scrolling screen, you can extend that to get the full scroll of what you are looking at and save that as a screenshot. So just a little bit extra, when you're on a scrolling screen such as your Threads feed, that's particularly useful to get your screenshot. And then once you're in the Photos app, you can actually go through and see where it is on the device. So on my device, it's under Screenshots. You'll see I have my screenshot of the home screen I took earlier, and this is the scrolling screenshot of Threads. Great! I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please do leave them in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.